Hi everyone, this is your quick tutorial on how to create either a brochure or an infographic in Creative Cloud Express. So to get started, we're going to come up to the search and I'm going to type in, you can see there's a list down here of all the different kinds of templates, but I want to do brochure. So this is my fast track to the brochure. So here we are in the brochure section, and I know that this assignment that we're working on, our product for our personal assessment philosophy, requires me to put in a lot of text. So I'm going to look at the various, I'm going to click on view all. Now you could start from scratch, but I'm going to pick a template to use because I'm new, I'm trying this for the first time, and I want to make sure I know how to make this work. So I'm scrolling through here, looking for one that seems to have a lot of text in it. I think I'm going to pick this one because it has a bunch of text and I have a lot of text, so this is the one I'm going to use. All right, so I'm going to create from this template. I go in. I'm waiting for it to load. I don't want to see this, so I close this off. And I am going to start here. So I'm thinking I want to go with this one. And I want to do the text. Now, here's what I want you to notice. It pops up right over here so I can edit the text. So I'm going to type in Liz Costanzo's assessment philosophy. Whoops, better spell it correctly. There we go. All right, now I don't really like how that looks. My name is like too big, so let's see if I move out of here. Yuck, I don't like that. So I need to do something different. I'm going to make this smaller because it's at 105.2. So I'm going to come down here. I'm thinking maybe 16.4 might make that work. Oh, that's way too small, but that's okay. I can stretch it out to be exactly how I would like it to be. And I'm just going to pull it a little bit more because that's another way that you can edit. You can edit by using over here and clicking on this to get the size of font that you'd like. Or you can stretch the box, whichever works for you. Once again, that's too big. There we go, easy peasy. All right, so I'm gonna center that here and move my box and I'm good to go. So that is as easy as it is to edit the text. So now I wanna edit the text over here. I'm gonna come down to this box and I just type right in here. So I can just get going, put in my text, and I'm good to go. Now, a couple of neat features on here. If you notice these cards at the bottom, you can click on the cards and it'll take you, like this one says Life on Campus. So when I click on that, it takes me here to that part of the doc. Now there's other things in here as well, so I'm gonna scroll down. It gets to your features. So for example, this bar, I wanna change the color. So I click on this, it might be the top bar, it's the top bar. And I want to change the color, or I can get rid of it, but I'm going to pick a different color. I think I'm going to do teal. Okay, and that's all I have to do. It changed it super fast. So you have this area that you can use to make changes in your document, or you can click over here and it pops up over here. Same thing with the features. You can click on the feature, or you can click on the little files. Okay, so now there's just a few other things I'd like to show you before you get started. You can change your colors by selecting a whole new color pattern option. I'm feeling this. Now I'm not that patient. It takes a little bit. Ooh, that was a bad choice. So I'm going to pick something else. Let's try this one. Oh, much better. So I pick a new choice. I'm ready to go. Click over here, close it up. I can add animations. I can change my background picture. I can resize, and I can add design pieces. So that is a super easy overview of what happens here. Now I want to save my project. So I'm going to come up to my project and I'm going to rename it. I don't want it to be called my project. I'm going to call it Liz Assessment Philosophy. And I noticed that I misspelled assessment. There we go. And it's saving it for me, which is great. So now I'm going to share. I can download this to my computer if I want. This icon will let me add collaborators. but I'm going to share it because I need the link to put into the final, in the gallery. So I'm coming over here. I'm going to publish. It's publishing. Great, I want a link. Just takes a second for it to get the link ready. There's my link. I'm going to copy my link. I'm going to close it up. And my project is complete. So that is as easy as it is. You can do the same thing for the infographic. I'm going to go back home. This time I'm typing an infographic. And I'm going to get a lot of template choices so I can create an infographic. For both the brochure and the infographic, you're going to probably need more than one page. So for your brochure, you're going to do your outside and your inside. That'll give you enough space to put in all of your learning as you're creating your assessment philosophy. And same thing for the infographic. You can keep adding to it and it grows longer, or you can make like 2 separate graphics if that's what you choose to use to create your final product on your personal assessment philosophy. Hope this was helpful. Thanks.